Did you know that over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube every minute? Yes, you heard that right, every single minute. Let's pause for a moment and let that sink in. 500 hours of content every minute, every day. That's a staggering amount of videos, isn't it? It's the equivalent of nearly 21 days of continuous footage, all being uploaded in the span of just 60 seconds. It's almost hard to fathom, but that's the reality of the YouTube phenomenon we're living in. Now, this immense volume of content presents a double-edged sword. On one hand, it's an incredible testament to the platform's reach and popularity. It's a vibrant, bustling marketplace of ideas, creativity, and expression. A place where anyone with a camera and an internet connection can share their voice with the world. But on the other hand, it also presents a significant challenge. With so much content being uploaded every minute, how can anyone hope to stand out? How can you make your voice heard amongst the cacophony of countless others? How can you carve out a space for yourself on a platform as vast and diverse as YouTube? The key, as we'll explore in this video, lies in breaking the mold. It's about being unique, being authentic, and creating content that resonates with your audience. It's about finding your niche, your voice, and your style. It's about not just fitting into the YouTube landscape, but reshaping it in your own image. Consider some of the most successful YouTubers out there. They didn't get where they are by following the crowd. No, they got there by being different, by being true to themselves, and by offering something that no one else could. So how does one stand out in this massive crowd? Stay tuned as we delve into this exciting topic. In the ocean of content, the key to standing out is simple yet challenging: breaking the mold. Now, you might be wondering, what does breaking the mold even mean? Well, it's about being different, being unique, not just following trends, but setting them. It's about being authentic, sharing your unique perspective, and creating content that reflects who you are and what you stand for. It's about daring to be different, even when everyone else is playing it safe. Take a moment and think about your favorite YouTubers. What makes them special? Why do millions of people tune in to watch their videos? Chances are it's because they are authentic, they are unique, and they are not afraid to be themselves, even when it's not popular or trendy. Let's take an example of a YouTuber who broke the mold and achieved great success by being different and true to themselves. Meet Casey Neistat. He didn't follow the traditional path to YouTube stardom. He didn't create viral pranks or reaction videos. Instead, he shared his life, his thoughts, and his unique perspective through daily vlogs. His authenticity, creativity, and storytelling skills set him apart from the crowd, and his channel quickly gained millions of followers. Now, breaking the mold doesn't mean you have to be like Casey Neistat or any other successful YouTuber. It doesn't mean you have to vlog or share your life with the world. It means you have to find your unique voice, your unique perspective, and share it with the world in your own unique way. It means you have to be authentic, be yourself, and create content that reflects who you are and what you stand for. Remember, being different isn't just about being noticed. It's about being remembered. It's about leaving a lasting impression, creating a connection with your audience, and building a loyal community of followers who tune in to watch your videos not because they are trendy or popular, but because they are uniquely you. So dare to be different, break the mold, be authentic, be unique, and most importantly, be yourself. Remember, being different isn't just about being noticed, it's about being remembered. Now, let's move on to one of the most crucial steps in your YouTube journey: finding your niche. Imagine yourself in a bustling marketplace where everyone is selling the same thing. It's pretty hard to stand out, isn't it? The same principle applies to YouTube. With the cacophony of content being uploaded every minute, it becomes challenging to make your voice heard. But don't fret. The key to being seen and heard in this crowded marketplace is finding your unique niche. Think of your niche as your secret sauce. It's that special element that sets you apart from the crowd. It's what makes you Well, you. But how do you go about finding your niche? It's a blend of passion, interest, and market demand. Start by asking yourself, what am I passionate about? What interests me? These questions might seem simple, but the answers can lead you to a goldmine of content ideas. It's vital that you enjoy what you're doing because your passion and enthusiasm will shine through your content, making it more engaging and relatable to your audience. Next, you need to consider the demand side of the equation. Is there an audience for your chosen niche? Thanks to the diverse nature of the YouTube community, there's an audience for almost every niche. However, it's crucial to strike a balance between choosing a niche you love and one with a potential audience. Remember, your goal is to create content that resonates with your viewers. That's how you build a loyal following. And a loyal following is what ultimately makes you stand out and helps you monetize your channel. It's like being a chef. You wouldn't want to cook something you don't enjoy eating, right? And you definitely wouldn't want to cook something that no one wants to eat. Find the sweet spot, find your niche, and cook up the content that both you and your audience will love. Your niche is your compass. It guides your content, helps you connect with your audience, and ultimately makes you stand out. Once you've found your niche, the next step is to create high quality content. This is the bread and butter of your YouTube channel. It's what people come to see, and it's what will keep them coming back for more. But what exactly does high quality mean in this context? Well, it's not just about having flashy graphics or a catchy intro tune. Although those can certainly help, high quality content is content that is valuable to your audience. It's content that answers their questions, solves their problems, or simply entertains them in a way that no one else can. It's content that is well researched, well written, well produced, and well presented. It's content that is unique, authentic, and true to you and your brand. Now, creating this kind of high quality content may require you to invest some time and effort. You may need to learn new skills such as script writing or video editing. You may need to research your topics thoroughly to ensure accuracy and relevance. You may need to experiment with different formats or styles to find what works best for you and your audience. But don't be discouraged. This is not a race, but a journey. And every step you take, every video you make is an opportunity to learn and grow. So take your time, do your best, and strive for improvement, not perfection. Moreover, consistency is just as important as quality. It's not enough to make one great video and then disappear for months. You need to upload new videos regularly, whether that's once a week, twice a month, or whatever schedule works for you. This will not only keep your audience engaged and coming back for more, but it will also signal to YouTube's algorithm that your channel is active and worth promoting. So in conclusion, creating high quality content is not just about making great videos. It's about providing value, staying true to your brand, learning and improving, and being consistent. This may seem like a lot of work, but remember, every successful YouTuber started where you are now. And with time, effort, and persistence, you can achieve great things too. Quality is what keeps your audience coming back for more. And remember, consistency is key. Now that you've got great content, how do you grow your channel? Well, it's all about promotion, engagement, and understanding your audience. Let's break that down. Promotion is key. You've got to get your content in front of the right people. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other creators, or even consider paid advertising if it suits your budget. Next up, engagement. YouTube isn't just a one-way street, it's a community. Respond to comments, create content based on viewer suggestions, and make your audience feel seen and heard. Remember, people are more likely to subscribe to channels they feel connected to. Lastly, use analytics. YouTube provides a wealth of data about your viewers. Use this to understand what's working and what isn't. Which videos get the most views, which ones keep people watching the longest. Use this information to shape your content strategy moving forward. Growing your channel takes time and effort, but with the right strategies, you can make it happen. Finally, let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for, making money on YouTube. The platform provides a plethora of opportunities to monetize your content. First, there's ad revenue. Once you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can start earning from ads shown on your videos. Second, sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for creators who can promote their products or services to a targeted audience. And third, merchandise. If you've built a loyal fan base, selling branded merchandise can be a significant revenue stream. But remember, each of these requires a unique approach and strategy. If you want to delve deeper into these topics, I'd recommend the YouTube Mastery and Monetization course. It's designed to guide you through the process of developing and operating your own successful channel. Remember, success on YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. So keep creating, keep learning, and most importantly, keep being you.